Okay, welcome back everyone. Nice to see you again with another video. I have a simple sentence to show you again. Alright, are you free? Just spend few minutes to watch this video. You can learn something more. Okay, នៅថ្ងៃអ្នកនរឥឡូវយើងចាប់ផ្ដើមមកស្គាល់ប្រយោគធម្មតាមួយនេះជាមួយខ្ញុំ Okay ដូចដែលយើងបានឃើញអញ្ចឹង Come to study this simple sentence. Can you read it? We have learned something new. So you can see how many words here. It has 5 words. We have learned something new. Alright. This sentence, you can call it as simple sentence, and it is the form of present perfect tense. នឹងប្រយោគនេះយើងហៅវាថាជាប្រយោគធម្មតាអ្នកនរប៉ុន្តែអាស្រ័យទៅលើ form ដែលយើងឃើញវាជាប្រភេទ present perfect tense ដែលជាកាលមួយក្នុងភាសាអង់គ្លេសយើងតែងប្រើវាសម្រាប់និយាយទៅលើសកម្មភាពទាំងឡាយណាដែលវាចាប់ផ្ដើមកើតមានឡើងតាំងពីអតីតកាលរហូតមកដល់បច្ចុប្បន្នកាលហើយវាមាន result វាអាចនិយាយអំពីបទពិសោធន៍ហើយសកម្មភាពនឹងអាចនឹងមានបន្តរហូតទៅអនាគតទៀតអូខេហ្នឹងគឺជាប្រភេទ present perfect ដែលយើងតែងប្រើនៅក្នុងភាសាអង់គ្លេសដែលយើងស្គាល់ form របស់វាសិនទៅគឺជាធម្មតាយើងតែងឃើញ form វាគឺ subject plus helpers ហើយនឹង verbs 3 verbs 3នឹងគឺជាប្រភេទ verb ដែលយើងហៅថា verb past participle នោះអ្នកនេះឃើញទេទម្រង់វា verb ខ្ទង់ទី3ណាអូខេហ្នឹងគេហៅថាជា past participle verb. Alright, in common ways present perfect has the form subject plus have or has verbs 3 or we call it as past participle verb. Okay, once again, before I let you continuously learn this part of sentence, and also I'm gonna talk about the 5 words here. And according to the form of this sentence, we call it as present perfect. Okay, so the thing that you can learn first with me, I want you to recognize the part aspect of each word. នៅក្នុងប្រយោគនេះ in this sentence, you can see it. There are 5 words. The first word we, it is pronoun. The second word have, it is verb. Learn here, it is verb. Something is pronoun, and new here is adjective. So in this sentence, we have pronoun, verb, pronoun, and adjectives. All right. And you can separate it as 2 parts here. The first, we as a subject, and from have to something new, we call it verb phrase. So the next thing, you can recognize the part of speech. I hope you got it. We have 5 words, and each word has different part of speech. We have pronoun, verb, pronoun, and adjective. So the next step, you need to know it. You can understand the function of each word we use. So in every videos I made, the thing I want everyone to know the part of speech first, and then you can learn to know the function of the word because part of speech tells us to know what is the position or function that each word stands for a sentence. អញ្ចឹងនៅក្នុង part of speech នីមួយៗដែលយើងចាំបាច់ត្រូវដឹងពីវាពីព្រោះយើងអាចស្គាល់អំពីតួនាទីរបស់ពាក្យហើយយើងអាចដាក់វាឲ្យបានត្រឹមត្រូវនៅក្នុងប្រយោគណាគ្នាអញ្ចឹងហើយបាននៅក្នុងភាសាអង់គ្លេសនៅពេលដែលយើងសិក្សាពីពាក្យនីមួយៗណាគ្នាកុំភ្លេច note ចំណាំវាឲ្យស្គាល់ពីថ្នាក់ពាក្យរបស់ពាក្យនីមួយៗដែលយើងហៅថា part of speech ហ្នឹងអញ្ចឹងកាលណាដែលយើងស្គាល់ part of speech យើងដឹងពីថ្នាក់ពាក្យនីមួយៗហើយយើងប្រើប្រាស់ពាក្យដាក់តាមទីតាំងរបស់វាអត់សូវខុសទេដោយសារយើងស្គាល់អំពីទីតាំងដែលយើងត្រូវដាក់ហើយយើងស្គាល់អំពី function មុខងាររបស់ពាក្យដែលយើងត្រូវប្រើអូខេអញ្ចឹងនៅក្នុងប្រយោគនេះអ្នកនៅឃើញយើងបែងចែកជា2ផ្នែកគឺ subject និង verb phrase. So in this video you see there are 2 parts separated, subject and verb phrase. From we, one part, and have learned something new, another part as verb phrase. So now let me move to understand about the functions of each word. We here is pronoun, and pronoun function as subject. ចឹង we នឹងវាមានតួនាទីជាប្រធាននៅក្នុងប្រយោគទាំងមូលហ្នឹង It functions as subject in the whole of the sentence. ហើយ verb have នៅទីនេះវាជា verb នេះហើយ learn នៅទីនេះក៏ជា verb ដែរបើយើងនិយាយទាំងពីរនេះយើងអាចហៅវាថាជា verb phrase ជា clear របស់កិរិយាសព្ទឬក៏យើងហៅទាំងអស់ហ្នឹងតែម្ដងក៏បានដែរវាមានន័យថានៅក្នុងអន្សោមហ្នឹងវាជា clear របស់កិរិយាសព្ទ But I just want you to take note these 2 verbs help learned and we separated help here is also verb but it is the auxiliary verb. This auxiliary verb we use it to have a simple sentence to be perfect tense. Take a simple note. You talk in present help learn but you want to talk in past you can change have to had. So had learn it's become past perfect. Alright, so have here is the auxiliary verb and learned here it is the main verb. It tells us about the activity of this sentence. What does subject do? So learn here is the main verb and something here is pronoun, alright? We call it as indefinite pronoun. Okay, and then new here is adjective. Yes, you can call it as a phrase and function as object. Okay, so these two words, it is the object. Yeah, it function as object of the verb help learned. All right, coming back again, we here is the subject, and help is auxiliary verb, and learned is main verb, something is pronoun, and you is adjective. All right, one thing I want to add a bit in this video, you can see here something is pronoun and then new here is adjective. One thing you can take note, normally you can see adjective used to modify noun or pronoun, right? Like here, new modified something. Okay, I can say it as modifier because new describes something. But why new stand after something? Why we don't use new before pronoun? Because normally we learn and know that adjective stand before noun, but in these two words, adjective stand after pronoun. Alright, something pronoun and new is adjective. So the thing that I want to tell you and take note yourself, we use adjective after pronoun. It is the type of indefinite pronoun. ជាធម្មតាយើងដឹងថា adjective វាឈរពីមុខ noun ដោយសារ adjective យើងប្រើដើម្បីបញ្ជាក់ន័យឲ្យ noun ឬក៏បញ្ជាក់ន័យឲ្យសព្វនាមប៉ុន្តែនៅក្នុងពាក្យពីរនេះ something new នេះ adjective ឈរនៅពីក្រោយ something វិញអញ្ចឹងរឿងដែលខ្ញុំចង់ឲ្យអ្នក note remind you and remember it. We can use adjective stand after indefinite pronoun. I can put on the video, you can check yourself. This is called indefinite pronoun. You can see it something, someone, somebody, anything, nothing, or everything. So when you want to say it, you cannot say new something. You say something new, yes. That is why you can recognize and remember this. So once again, before I finish this video, I hope you learned it and you know. And just remind it again before I end it. We use adjective after indefinite pronouns. Okay, this is the end of this video and I hope you learned it well. Thank you very much you spent the time to watch it. See you next video. Bye bye.